Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Valdez. I am 29 years old and currently I work for the state of Delaware under the Children's Department. My job title is a psychiatric social worker 3 and my role is to coordinate mental health and/or treatment services for children under 18 that have Medicaid or no insurance. I have been in the mental health field now approximately 6 years, specifically working with children that have DSM-5 mental health diagnoses, as well as working with family members, parents, or caregivers that also have DSM-5 mental health diagnoses. On a regular basis, I am a part of a treatment team for each child that's on my caseload. Every case is a little bit different, and I currently have 19. So we utilize a wraparound approach at my agency. So what that means is each team meets on a monthly basis, and the team is made up of the parent or caregiver, various state divisions, treatment providers, psychiatrists, nurse practitioners, special court advocates, and sometimes educational personnel. And everybody's really meeting to ensure that we all have the most up-to-date information, are collecting data, are ensuring that the child has the most appropriate diagnosis, that the treatment interventions being put in place are appropriate in duration and are also provided at what we call the least restrictive setting. And I also have a lot of experience with different practitioners that are providing the medication. And what my job is to really I hold all of the children's history as well as current relevant information so that the psychiatrists or nurse practitioners and licensed professionals are really having the most up-to-date information to make an appropriate diagnosis as well as give medication oversight and any other treatment recommendations that may be needed for the child and or family. So I definitely love my job. I'm very excited about this class to learn even more about the various DSM-5 diagnoses and how I can implement what I learn into my everyday work. So thank you for listening, and can't wait to meet everybody else. Thank you.